Hi everyone, I'm CEO from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using Instagram. Scanning QR codes on Instagram helps you quickly access profile links and more without typing. So let's get started on how to scan QR codes using Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, you will see several options. Look for the Share Profile button and tap on it. To scan a QR code, tap on the QR code icon located at the top right corner of your screen. You can now scan any QR code directly from Instagram. And this is how you can scan QR codes using Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.